Now the question given here is a brand new tire goes for 2400 kilometers. Now a car has to travel a distance of 4200. The journey is of 4200 kilometers. How many tires are going to be needed? This total journey will be traveled on 4 wheels. So total kilometers needed are going to be 4200 for each of the 4 wheels. So this is the total kilometers needed. And each brand new tire goes for 2400 kilometers. Each brand new tire goes for 2400 kilometers. 4 6 are. So 7 tires are going to be needed. I repeat, brand new tire goes for 2400 kilometers. We have to go a journey of 4200. Car will not travel on one tire. Total 4 wheels will be needed. So these many kilometers per tire, these many. So we solve it. We need 7 tires will be needed. Now common sense says 2400 and 2400, 4 tires and 4 tires. We would have needed 8. Now but for 8 we needed for 4800 journey. Answer is already there, but if someone is curious enough to know, so now simply just if you are curious, try it, otherwise it's going to be a lengthy procedure. Answer we already know. Now total on 4 tires we have to go a journey. We start with 4 new tires, tire 1, tire 2, tire 3, tire. Brand new tire goes 2400. We'll make it in 4 parts. You can do any ways, but I'm trying to give you one of the answer options. Let's say we go for 600 kilometers. 600 kilometers we have traveled. All the 4 travels have traveled. So now this tire we take out. This tire we take out, its life remaining is of 1800. And we put a new tire here. We go for 600 more kilometers. 600, 1200. New tire we have put in here. 1200 and 1200. Now we take out this tire. This tire is taken out. Life remaining of this tire is 1200. For this tire, life remaining was 1800. After 600 we put a new remaining. We went 600 and 600 more for all these tires. We took out this tire, life remaining is 1200, and we put a new tire here. We go for 600 more kilometers. So this is now 1200. This is new tire 600, 1800, 1800. We take out this tire. Already its 1800 life is over. So remaining life is 600. Remaining life is 600. And we replace it by a new tire. We go 600 more kilometers, 1800, 1200, new tire, so 600, 2400. This is over, the life is over, 2400 kilometers life over. Now, total journey is 4200, 2400 already over, remaining 1800. Now, which tire's life remaining is 1800? We know this tire's life remaining is 1800. So we are going to put this tire here now. Its life remaining is 1800. For full life it will go on now. I repeat. This tire 2400 complete journey was over. So now we take it out and we try to find out 4200 is journey, 2400 over. This tire's life of 1800 is remaining. We put it here. So the remaining complete journey it will go. We go furthermore 600. Furthermore 600. Already this tire has gone for 1800. Furthermore 600. 2400. 2400 of this tire life is over. Life is over. 600 more. 1800. 600 more. And journey up till now is 3000. Now journey up till now is 3000. We have already got this tire here now. This tire is over. 3000 journey is over. 1200 is remaining. So this tire's life of 1200 is remaining. We put this tire. It will go for remaining journey of 1200. This tire we take out and we put it here. This will go for remaining 1200 kilometers. So now we go furthermore 600 kilometers. This tire will go completely now. Furthermore 600, 2400, 1800, and journey up till now is 3600. Journey up till now is 3600. This tire is going to go on for this. Now this tire's life is over. 2400, 600 journey is remaining, whose life remaining is 600. This tire what we had taken out here, we put it here. This will go for 600 kilometers. We are going to put it here. This tire, what all we did, this tire whose life remaining was 600, we put it here. It will go for furthermore 600. All the tires already 1800, furthermore 600. This tire will be over, this will be over, this will be over. Basic concept is each tire should be equally worn out. For people who wanted a serious solution, even after 1 kilometer you can change it. Simple exam point of view logic is each new tire goes 2400 kilometers, journey 4200 on 4 tires. Each new tire this much, 7 tires. Now simply if the question given is a brand new tire goes for 900, let's say a brand new tire goes for 600 kilometers. We have to travel a journey of 1500 kilometers by car. How many tires will be needed? Number of tires needed. Number of tires. We have to go 1500 kilometers on 4 tires. Each new tire goes 600. So how many tires will be needed is 10 tires. If question is brand new tire goes 600, a journey of 1500 we have to go by car. On 4 tires, each tire goes this. So how many tires will be needed is 10 tires.